In a world where one man, he's faced with a decision. Eat the chili dog and have diarrhea, or not eat the chili dog at all. This is his story.
Hey man, how's it going?
Oh, we're good.
Good. How's that football team?
Oh, we suck.
Yeah, they're awesome, aren't they?
Yeah.
Holy crap, I got text messages. Hold on. Don't eat the chili dogs. From the gods.
What?
But I love chili dogs. Alright guys, I got this text message today from the gods telling me not to eat a chili dog.
Dude, man, you didn't launch that thing though.
Yeah. It's going.
Where'd it go?
Yeah, I'm gonna have some major diarrhea today. Be explosive. Alright.
Don't get mad. You know that, right? You
Oh, you ready to get smoked? You ready to get smoked?
You guys don't even give you a ball.
Oh my god. I gotta take a massive dump.
Let's go, man.
Oh god, I gotta go. Oh god. Oh god. Holy crap! Oh god. Man, my stomach hurts so bad. I should have listened to the gods.
Dude, I just got a text message from the gods. It says don't eat the chili dogs. Meh. Oh well, I'll do it anyways.
Don't do it. Don't eat the chili dogs.
Hey dude, did you wipe your butt? You got toilet paper on your butt.
Yeah, I know.
Ew.
Ate a chili dog.